Hi. So here's how to back up the OpenLM database if you are using a MySQL database. Simply go to the database that you want to back up, double click on it, click on Data Export, simply choose the database that you want to back up. You'll need to dump triggers, events, and stored procedures. Make sure that you're dumping structure and database. And it's always better to dump to a project folder, not a self-contained file. Project folder is much better. It's easier for us to work with it. Now click Include Create Schema and start export. And that's it. The dump folder will move here, wherever you specify. Thanks. Bye.